At Crawford Contractor Connection, we're in the business of restoring and enhancing lives, businesses, and communities.
Restoring lives.
Restoring families.
Restoring hope.
Because when the unexpected happens, you need peace of mind that someone will be there to support you, guide you, and help you restore your life. For over 25 years, the Crawford Contractor Connection Network has enhanced the lives of families, as well as businesses and communities as they navigate their way back from unanticipated challenges. From accidents to weather-related incidents, from fires to floods, and so much more. Contractor Connection is here to ensure that families can look forward to a bright future. Our network of several thousand contractors and their dedicated staff know that each repair represents a person, a family. That's why we work in close cooperation with our insurance industry partners to provide a spectrum of services designed to rebuild, repair, enhance, and restore. From day-to-day property claims to large loss to catastrophe services. So when you need us,
we've had some flooding on the first floor of our home. There was about 3 inches of water standing in the living room. All of the furniture.
There's been a fire. We're okay, but our house.
Our building is damaged, and I can't allow my business to be closed.
You can help us. Our kitchen, it's just gone.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're a lifesaver.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Crawford Contractor Connection is here for you every day with over 6,000 contractors, helping restore what matters most. At Contractor Connection, we know they're not just claims, they're people, they're family.